right, I found some components here. I'm gonna kind of figure out what works best here. So hopefully that'll hold it. Okay, see, that has a little, this is called a head pin. It has a little head on there. Let's see how this looks. If I can find the hole. Where does it go in? There we go. That's my doggo, Bailey. All right, I don't think that we're gonna fit here. Yeah, not enough to make an end. Whoops. So I think I'm gonna take this, maybe this bottom crystal out. And just, I don't know, we'll see if this holds. Oh, good. Go right to this. And then I think I want to put the wooden bead, and then there we go. Now it's a different one. So that is different. I can try, let's try putting this guy on the bottom. Let's see how we like that. This is where designing on the fly comes in. I actually think I like this one. I like how the dark offsets everything. So we're gonna go with that, even though this is really cool. So I did find these little ones here. We can do that. And maybe, this, oh, that's cute. We could do that. Almost looks like a acorn or something. Make sure my hands are in the screen here. There we go. Those are cute. All right, now we're in business. All right, so let's go back. We'll put the bottom on this one. I've got all these pretty beads from Jesse James. I love their mixes. There we go. Those, yeah, that's. All right, so let me find my looper, my one-step looper duper. Alrighty, see how we do here. Close this up a little more. There we go. And we are going to connect it to this lovely ear wire. And there you have it. I'll do this one. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Oh, so cute. I guess I could have left that open and just connected it there, but oh well. Always want to open up this way gently, that you don't break your hoops, the loops, loop-de-doop, doop-boop-a-doop. And there you have it, friends. Oh, and we can do these really quick. So you can do that. And then you want that neck broken there. There we go. And there you have it. I got one more. So you break the neck and then come back and you make your loop. And then I'll leave those open so I can find some ear wires and connect those. And there we have it. Oops. Some new earrings. Yay! Thanks for joining me today.